Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all this makeup look that I achieved by using Profusion Cosmetics Mixed Metal Eyes palette called Amber that looks like this right here. I also used the Mixed Metals lip kit in a color called Coco that looks like this right here. These two items is what was used to help to create this makeup look that you're seeing. So if you want to see more on how I put these two to use, just keep watching this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Hey dolls, so I'm going to begin by priming my entire face using my beautifully matte face primer. And with my fingertips, I'm going to first pat the product onto my face, pat it into my skin, and then once I get the coverage going, I'm going to smooth it out. This works to help to keep my oily skin subdued. So I'm now using the primer that comes along with the Profusion Mixed Metal Kit. It has a bit of a faint smell to it, but it's not overwhelming. So I'm going to take the primer, apply it onto the mobile area of my eyes, blending up towards my brow bone. And I notice with my fingertips, it blends out very, very smoothly. So here's the fun part. I'm going to start out with the palette with the color called Outgoing. And I'm going to take that with the brush that comes with the kit, and I'm going to use this as my transitional color to blend all over my entire mobile eye, including my crease area. I'm going to go back into the palette and take the color called Fearless, and look at this. These shadows are super pigmented. Color you see, color you definitely going to get. And they are not chalky when applied. Thumbs up to Profusion for the quality. Going back into the palette, taking the color called Burlesque, and I'm using a different precision blending brush, and I'm going to darken my crease. This is going to help get the color of the crease going by darkening it. Then to make my cut crease, I'm going to pick up my concealer, and I'm going to gently outline my whole mobile eye. Notice how I put just a tad bit of pressure when outlining, and that's because I want to make sure I get the shape of my eye socket. That sounds a little weird, but yeah, this is my way of doing a cut crease by outlining my entire mobile socket. Go back into the concealer with my fingertips, take a little bit of it, and gently just pat in on the mobile area eye underneath the line of where I made for the cut crease. So I went back into the palette, picked up the color called Celestial, and this color is so gorgeous and so pretty. With a flat shader brush, I'm patting it on where I placed the concealer for the cut crease. I'm just patting that on. And then I'm going to go back into the palette. Once I do that, in the second color I'm going to pick up is called Wannabe. Loving the names on this palette, by the way. So the color Wannabe is just a little bit more on the pinkish golden side as the first one of Celestial. So off camera, applied my false eyelashes and wing liner. I even smoked out my lower lash line. And I'm using this stick here that I purchased from Kmart because, let's be real dolls, you know, these foundations, especially this Makeup Forever, it is not cheap. And I said I need every bit of product I can get out of this jar. No way I was tossing this out. Taking that, and it digs down in there and it's able to scoop out whatever foundation that you may have in your jar, so that way you're not throwing away and wasting any product. This has been working well for me, and I'm so delighted to spend my money for it. And anyway, it was only $2 for the stick. So now that I got my foundation out, and blend my entire face, and then I'm gonna start off using my concealer underneath the areas of my eyes, and this is by LA Girl Cosmetics. Put the concealer there, put it on my forehead, go back, and I'm taking some matte foundation, which is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It was too dark for me to use on my entire face, so I like using it as a contour. Use this as the contour. Take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and here's where I begin blending out the concealer as well as the contour. Blend it all in together. Then I'm going to take some liquid highlighter by Maybelline. I've really been enjoying applying liquid highlighter lately. It gives me more of a natural glow, and it doesn't leave my skin looking weird like the powder do. Not sure how to explain it, but when I've been using the liquid highlighter, my results has been that much better. And I purchased this one from my local drugstore. It's by Maybelline. So I'm going to add a little bit of blush. I'm not much of a blush wearer, so a little bit of this is definitely going a long way. And as I add my blush, I'm now going to use the Mixed Metals Lip Kit. Start out with the lip pencil that comes with the kit, followed by the matte liquid lipstick that comes with the kit once I line my lips. And the beauty about this lip kit is it comes with a matte liquid lipstick and a metal liquid lipstick. So once I put on the matte lipstick, I'm then going to go back and take a little bit of the metal portion, which gives it an additional shine. Then with my fingertips, blend those in together. And this pretty much is about to conclude the video. I don't know about the lips, but I love the eyes. So this mixed metal palette is definitely worth you looking into. I'm gonna pull in so you can see how it's looking, and voila, not bad. To say that this palette only cost me $10, I am thoroughly impressed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.